Velo United States dollar exchanges close $0.004 in an in every practical sense, significant way. Velo essentially has a medium-term obstruction at $0.005 in a truly significant manner. Velo's EMA10 essentially shows an exceptionally descending pattern, lovely in spite of mainstream thinking. Velo fall 11.71% in 7 days, which generally is very critical. 16 January 2024, in this video we will truly walk you through Velo cost examination for now or for truly 1 week from now, and in a real sense attempt to answer these regularly generally clarified some things, facts, what sort of is in every way that really matters, transient cost expectation for Velo, especially is Velo in excellent interest in an unobtrusive manner. Velo support and opposition levels and so on, or so they explicitly thought. Be that as it may, prior to plunging commonly profound into the Velo specialized examination, explicitly let us especially discuss the truly current economic situations, which truly is genuinely critical. Market examination over the genuinely last 24 hours, there generally was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the essentially whole digital currency market to $1,701,864,434,951 in a fundamentally enormous manner. The all-out exchanging volume for the most part remains at $57,212,190,209, so Velo United States dollar exchanges close $0.004, which especially is genuinely huge. Bitcoin shares 49.85% of the entry market, while Ethereum really has a strength of 16.33% in an unobtrusive manner, which fundamentally brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $43,266.13 level after a vertical development of 0.61%, or so they explicitly thought. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum, most certainly has seen a cost increment of 1.99%, coming to $2,583.59 during the past 24 hours, or so they truly thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $315.76, following a value change of 0.55% within a similar time period, or so they in a real sense thought. Sol, the by and large local coin of Solana, most certainly is up by 0.98 and right now exchanging at $96.95, showing that Velo United States dollar exchanges close $0.004 in a genuinely significant manner. Furthermore, XRP came to 58 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.47% in esteem in a genuinely significant way. These occasions certainly show that the market basically is going in a truly descending bearing for truly present moment, or so they basically thought. As of now, a kind of broad in every practical sense, negative plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, so various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum sort of has seen a cost increment of 1.99%, coming to $2,583.59 during the past 24 hours, which most certainly is very critical. Velo backing and opposition backing and obstruction for the most part are significant specialized pointers used to explicitly distinguish truly key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, or so they in a real sense thought. Support in every practical sense is a level at which purchasers fundamentally become in every practical sense all the more really dynamic and by and large prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, so these occasions in every way that really matters demonstrate that the market for the most part is going in a really descending course for exceptionally present moment. Or so they truly thought. Similarly, obstruction sort of is a level at which vendors fundamentally become move genuinely dynamic and really prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which especially is genuinely critical. Following for the most part are the help and obstruction levels of Velo execution, as per value examination market file, Velo truly is exchanging at $0.004 with an exchanging volume of $1,543,743 in a huge manner. However, Velo in a real sense has a value decline of 5.82% in the all things considered last 24 hours. Velo cost changes 11.71% over the course of the week, with an especially all-out market capitalization of $5,186,353 United States dollars in an unpretentious manner. Velo value examination Velo cost investigation for 16 January 2024, inside a fundamentally day-to-day time span, truly made sense of beneath, which sort of is very critical. We use in every practical sense relative strength index RSI, moving kind of normal union and difference, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including commonly straightforward moving in every way that really matters. Normal, SMA, and dramatic moving exceptionally normal, EMA, to examine the future development of the Velo in an unpretentious manner by and large. The Truly Relative Strength List, RSI, shows that the Velo coin truly is in oversold stage, as RSI truly is at 30, so 16 January 2024. In this video we will in every practical sense walk you through Velo cost examination for now, or for all things considered, 1 week from now, and explicitly attempt to answer these much of the time, really got clarification on pressing issues, facts. What especially is by and large momentary cost expectation for Velo, basically is Velo in every way that really matters, wise interest in a very significant way. The Velo United States dollar moving pretty normal union and difference, MACD, marker by and large, is showing a truly present moment, especially sell pretty sign, as the MACD line really is moving beneath signal line which generally implies certainly bears fundamentally are ruling on the lookout, or so they especially thought. While Velo's Williams %R marker in a real sense is at 95.932 for the 14-day time span, showing an oversold condition and genuinely transient pattern in every way that really matters, inversion especially is conceivable, exhibiting that 16 January 2024. In this video we will for the most part walk you through Velo cost examination for now or for extremely 1 week from now, and basically attempt to answer these regularly in a real sense, got clarification on pressing issues, facts, what all things considered, is momentary cost expectation for Velo, in every practical sense, is Velo a sort of wise venture, or so they truly thought. Bulls can move the market in vertical course, exhibiting how Velo support and opposition levels and so forth, which for the most part is very huge. Velo in every practical sense is moving in sort of descending course, as really bears effectively in a real sense, take the coin beneath prompt help level of $0.004, showing that as of now, a genuinely broad all things considered, negative plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, so various elective digital currencies. As Ethereum by and large has seen a cost increment of 1.99%, coming to $2,583.59 during the past 24 hours, which especially is very critical. Presently Velo ought to really track down a help at $0.004, or probably the dealers could then focus on the urgent help level put at $0.005, showing that Velo truly is moving in extremely descending course, as in a real sense, bears effectively truly take the coin underneath prompt help level of $0.004, exhibiting that right now, and in every way that really matters. General especially bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, so various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum certainly has seen a cost increment of 1.99%, coming to $2,583.59 during the